Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and as I said, I like coming on at least every week, once a week, in terms of my in my withdrawals and everything that I want to document. So this is one thing that I'm consistently doing even though I am on vacation right now. So I want to show you just a little bit. We're going to talk about how to use Coindeal to actually basically withdraw every single week and the strategy that I use on a Sunday withdrawal. Today's theme, which I send out in an email, in fact is just going out my email right now, like clockwork. Every single time I do withdraw on a Monday, and I get deposited in my account right here on Coindeal from Future Pro and FutureNet, so that I can use it for traffic and continue this machine that exists for me online. So let me just go quickly into the details. I don't like this video to be very long because it's every single week that I put out a video like this in order for you guys to see the progress. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to also make it a playlist so that you have week after week. So basically right now it's been the whole month of July that has been documented, and I'm going to continue doing this the rest of the year so you guys can see the progress. So I would say actually don't be dragged along by just watching these videos. If you do want to check out the pro system that I've put in place for you, and I'm showing you how I'm using it, you can find it in the description of this video. Otherwise, if you like the content and everything else, please do subscribe to the channel. I just want to show you the formula, guys, before I go ahead. So my main product of funnel exists of two things: Easy One Up and FutureNet and Future Ad Pro. Now, in either cases, these are my main products. That's why I put them there. Then I have a marketing system, which I suggest everyone. The tools that is a must-have is a marketing system, and what I'm using right here, Aweber, okay, which is email marketing tool as well. So these are the two things that I need for any business, and I'm going to be using for a long time. So if you don't have that, get it so that you can use it. Okay, and the last thing is traffic. This is basically the formula that I have. It's a very simple formula, and I have been, and I know people who have been working this formula for years, but it basically creates two things. One, to use the tools that are specifically needed for business, and two, to have traffic always running, eyeballs always running to your offers. This is the way to scale it up, because if the traffic works, you can scale it up quite a bit. If it doesn't, you know when to stop and try another source, but you always have traffic running for you. So these are the key elements in any business that you do. The first product or service can be your own, can be affiliate offer, can be affiliate marketing, can be network marketing, can be a course that you have created on Udemy, or whatever kind of whatever you want actually, but I'm focusing on the pro strategy, which exists of these three things here. Now with Future Ad Pro, if you are in Future Ad Pro, this is going to help you also understand how you can get more signups into Future Ad Pro. Okay, so what I do is, let me specifically show you my Future Ad Pro account. Sorry, just let me refresh that. It was old screen, so as you can see that it's done already. Okay, I have my qualified ads. Future Ad Pro is a revenue sharing advertising site that we have right here. It's part of FutureNet. If you want to know more, I'm not going to go into details in this video, but the link is in the description. Just click on it and you will be able to find out more about the pro system, how I use Future Ad Pro, and everything else within it. Okay, over, let's see how much now, almost 1200 got from 12,700, so almost 12,000 US dollars in Future Ad Pro itself. And results are not typical, guys. These are, I have to say it, these are the work ethic, the consistency in the plan, and you need to follow it. If you're not following it, you're not making the right amount. Now I say US dollars because one FutureNet dollar equals one US dollar, so the equivalent is the same. Okay, that's just to show you guys some proof. And the second proof that I want to go into on these videos is definitely show you a withdrawal proof. So every single week, lots of withdrawals, as you can see. Okay, but as you can see, every single week here, okay, this is July. Let's look at June and July just so you can see. End of June. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is end of July, guys. End of July, that is the last withdrawal that I had, which is last week. Now I want you to see the date. It's 29th right here. I'm going to go into my Coindeal account, okay, because I've left the money there. I'm going to accumulate the funds here, and then I'm going to take it out later on. But I want to show you guys very clearly. So now it shows less, right? That's because the price of Bitcoin goes up and down. So as that's a risk I'm willing to take. The price dropped down a bit, and that's why it shows a little less than what it should be. But that's a risk that I'm willing to take, guys. It depends on you whether you want to do it immediately. I would suggest maybe for some people to value it more. If you want to keep it in US dollars, you can. What you could do is, and this is just an idea for me, honestly, I don't really mind if it continues to stay in Bitcoin, because for me Bitcoin is more valuable in that sense. What I would do, if you want to keep it in US dollars and don't want to change the value, I would take it out from here, put it into to the account. The moment it comes in, take it out and send it to a wallet that has a conversion of US dollars, convert to US dollars. It's a little more complicated process, which is why I prefer doing it like this, leaving it here, because I pay, I take this out and I then use it for the third thing that you're going to see right here, traffic. Okay, so I withdraw it, and I want to just show you the when the funds were deposited. So I don't know where. Let me just go ahead and show you my transactions maybe, and it will show you. Okay, so that's not my transactions. I go to wallet again, and let's look at the deposit. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and I want you to see right here on the 31st that came. So on the 31st was the amount. When did this go? 2 days later, basically, on a Monday. So this was done on a Saturday or a Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, but on a Monday or Tuesday. I don't know why this week it came late. So let's go and add to more proof. This was done on the 22nd, so on the Sunday again, 22nd. On the 23rd, the amount was already in my account. You can see right here, this is the amount, okay? And that is should equivalent to, at that time of the week, 55. But you can literally see that it's coming from here, okay? I'm showing you this because I want you to see that 16th, okay, was done on the 14th. So when I do these videos, it gets weighted, and you'll see, and then they confirm it. It comes into my account. I've taken it out, and I can go to Facebook and show you also that I purchased traffic through it. But basically, these are the amounts that I have been taking into my account. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand this is how I do things. So this is what happens. Future Ad Pro, I take out the money, okay, and I put it into traffic. Okay, put it into traffic, and this is every single week. I'm going to write this down here because it's very important. Every week. I put into traffic every week so that there are more people watching me and what I do. That traffic, it goes to an online sales pro page that presents these two offers right here. Okay, goes to an online sales pro page that presents these two offers right here. The moment I make a commission here, I take 30% of that. Okay, 30% of that, and it goes right back into traffic. So this is a machine in itself that works for me. Whether you join, whether you don't, I'm going to continuously do this, and this is how my traffic budget remains active. It needs consistency. You need around, in my opinion, around 90 to 180 days for it to actually see and people to gain interest, because like you and I, there are many people online who might not trust. They need time to get used to the strategy, and the more you build the strategy up for years, the better it is for you. So this is what I wanted to give you an overview of. I always I don't want it just to be a simple withdrawal video. Every week I'm going to be doing this for you guys. I'm going to have this set up for you so that you see exactly what I'm doing with these businesses. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a withdrawal right now on Future Ad Pro. So let's go to your account. You can see that I have around 106 US dollars there. Okay, this is how much I have right now. I want to withdraw just 60 because that's what I'm doing right now to give you guys proof, and this is all going to be documented in on YouTube as I'm doing this video, as well as it's going to be a playlist for you guys. So let's do it. 60 right here. That's what I want, and I want it through Bitcoin. As you can see, there's a minimum fee that I would pay. Now this is through Coindeal, guys. Okay, if you don't want to do it through Coindeal, there is directly through Bitcoin. The fees are much higher. it's much more expensive. Or if you have other kind of wallets, you can do it there. But I'm going to do it through Bitcoin. If you want to do Litecoin, increase your Litecoin every month, you can do that. Bitcoin Cash, you can do that. It's up to you, seriously, how you want to build this up. But I'm going to now take out my money in Bitcoin, $60 US, 5% goes to the upgrade account. I'm going to put you Czech Republic. And I'm going to click on payout. Confirm, payout. And now I'm going to go to my email address, guys. Refresh. As you can see, an email has come here to me requesting it in dollars. So last week I did a withdrawal and I showed you guys that. Firstly, let's see. Yep, you can see it's now 46. I'm almost going to buy another ad pack, but anyway, which was I wanted to show you. Okay, totally I've done $1,319 in withdrawal every single week, guys. You can see here it's waiting. Okay, email confirmation. Let's go to email confirmation. I'm going to click on yes, and I'm going to refresh this page. Scroll down, and it's now waiting. As you see, it's confirmed by me, and now it's waiting. So funds are going to go to this account right here. I'm going to get them in my wallet. If the price of Bitcoin goes up, I'm definitely going to get more. If the price of Bitcoin goes down, I'm going to get more Bitcoin, less USD, but that's fine. My focus is on buying the traffic. So as long as I have the minimum amount, I'm going to keep it here and wait till I have the exact amount every single month to be able to buy more traffic. So that's how it works, guys. This is the machine, the method I showed you just now, the proof I showed you every single Sunday, withdrawal as I said. And if you are interested to follow the strategy that I have in place for you guys, oops, sorry about this, guys, I need to share my screen again. If you're interested in the strategy that I have in place for you guys, let me know and I will definitely help you get started. But the link is in the description. You should have all the information right there for you. Gonna see you next week. Keep positive and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.